Hello everybody, it's your boy MC Recovery. It's time for one of those nutritional recovery is an inside job videos. Get ready. Y'all seen on my Facebook page that I done went to the 99-cent ranch market. And you know, let's give them a shout out. That's like an Asian API, Asian Pacific market. And I went to the produce station. And this weekend they had this for $5.99. These fat, juicy strawberries, I'm telling you. And I had some. And y'all know strawberry is high in vitamin C. So this is going to be part of the juice. Very sweet. So, and what's going to be in the juicer? Look at the flowers. This ain't no flowers. This is that red spinach. Red leafy spinach. Look at that. Red leafy spinach. I mean, this spinach got a lot of bang and pack in it. Magnesium and stuff like that. It will clean out the kidneys and the liver. And we're going to definitely put some of this. Look at it. Look like somebody gave me some flowers. So we're going to put that in there. But first of all, let's start this bang off. This blending I'm going to do with the banana. And MC, what color is this banana?
Yellow.
A yellow what?
Banana.
Which one is it on that picture right over there? Which banana? And say I like lava impact. Is it the unripe, ripe, or ripest?
It's the ripe.
Well, read it.
It's higher levels of antioxidants which support the immunity. It's easier to digest and it contains more antioxidants in it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, MC. Read for real. Oh, you okay? And then if it was the ripest one, what does that say? Read it out loud.
It's highest levels of antioxidants and it's the easiest to digest. And it's also the sweetest banana. And it's the best for smoothies and vegan desserts.
And look at that. Look at the stems on this baby. Did y'all hear what my son was reading over there? So I'm going to rinse some of these off. Throw them in here with these bananas. And then we're going to get it cracking up in here, y'all. Let me see if I can find me a quick knife. Oh, let me just break some. Slimming, boy, y'all know I'm doing it in a rush way. So let me put this to the side. I forgot to get a knife. Now I'm ready. So I just get the clipping on it. Try to get some of the stems in there. Cut some of this to the side. I like the fact that it got this red stuff in it. Put this to the side like this. And this is about how much I'm going to put in here of that. Put in some of the leaves. I know some of the leaves ain't going to probably cut, but you know, get some more. Give them a little nice round right in this section. See, what I'm doing, I'm getting every section that got a lot of the leaf still attached to it. But now, let's make it even better, y'all. Your boy got these other two powerhouses to put in there. The garlic, not all of it, just maybe about 3 or 4 cloves and some ginger. And what I use for the ginger, I'm using my grater, or I might use this side if I want slices for cooking. You use that side. So, you know, or you can really grate from both sides. What I do first, I get the potato cutter to trim it down. And as you know, yesterday, I start going to like the 99 or some of these other kind of stores, these Indonesian stores. And I like that they give you a nice fat chunky piece. So you know ginger is good for the immune system, high in antioxidants, lower the blood pressure. And look how clean I got that sucker, looking like I'm doing potatoes and stuff. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there, cut it on time. Then y'all know I'm gonna put the strawberries in there. And y'all, everybody knows strawberries high, has the highest content of vitamin C. So when you get up in your age, I just seen a video with Dr. Ian Smith. He got a new book out, so you know, give him a shout out on that. I remember the first time I took my son to an event, and that was the first time my son met the Jabberwockies. That was that Baldwin Hill Park when they was doing the 50-pound weight type of challenge. So you see how good my memory is? Some of y'all seen that post. So now we're going to do that there. Now we're going to get to this. The key to these garlics. See, I'm going to do like this because I got some fat fingernails. But you see how that came out real easy? That's a fresh garlic. Let me explain to y'all what really just happened. You can either take 2 bowls, 2 cups, something to shake them up to loosen them up, but it's another trick too. Or you can smash them, but you gotta smash them in a certain way. Oh, I forgot to do that. I showed y'all in another video. You cut it down the middle, then you smash it, and then they come loose. So I should have did it that way. But I'm back to doing it this way. And I'm going to put some more spinach in there. So just give me a minute. MC? Is it still on me, MC?
Yeah.
Oh, but I want y'all to listen to this part real fast. Okay? To explain more to y'all. Y'all gonna love this part. Let me bring the volume up on this. Y'all gonna love the booyah. Come on inside if you could, MC, so you can put this as close to the phone as possible. The camera as possible. Yeah. Say hello to the audience, you Charger fan, you mistakable.
Hello.
Mistakable what? And what that say there? The incredible what?
National nutritional benefits.
Pretty close. Let me see the picture. Put it in front of the camera. Maybe the video is too far.
It's on there. I got it. It's
Wait.
there.
This ain't the one. That's the next one.
Past 3.
This one. This one right here.
When you first heard about creative finance, did you think it was a scam?
Okay.
Hold up. Give me a second.
They got crazy.
Put it up there.
What topic?
Red spinach is full of nutrients and is also said to
Oh,
be a
this is the wrong
powerhouse of nutrition. It is a source
Yeah.
of fat, protein, carbohydrate, iron, potassium, purine,
Whoa, wait.
vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, iron.
I think this is the one I want
Red
y'all to look.
spinach is full of nutrients and is
Okay.
also said to be a powerhouse of nutrition. It is a source of fat,
Can
protein,
they see the video?
carbohydrate, iron,
Yes.
potassium, purine, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C,
Can they read it,
magnesium,
MC?
and routine, which helps our body to get rid of most kind of illnesses naturally. There are 2 types of red
I'm trying to get it to
spinach.
focus.
One is the color of both leaf
gotta
and
keep
stem
it
are
on
reddish,
slow.
while the other, the color of the stem is reddish, and leaf is greenish in color.
Bro, focus.
It is said that red spinach is capable in improving the kidney function by cleaning our kidney. It also helps our body
Y'all
to
remember
remove
me
stone
saying that?
to protect the
Y'all
kidney
can hear
from
it though,
forming
right?
stone. Pregnant women consuming this vegetable helps the body to clean and activate the organs.
Spare
It
you.
is
Spare
also
you.
said that after giving birth, red spinach helps a woman's
Bro,
body
bro,
to
zoom
improve kidney
in, bruh.
function by cleaning the blood and boost kidney function.
Y'all can hear it though. It's not
Red
like
spinach is very effective in controlling the insulin levels in the blood, and they also release a hormone
You're
that
moving the
helps in
garlic right
lowering
now.
hunger pangs and
add
is a
in the
very good food
ingredients.
for diabetes patients. Since it lowers the
Diabetes.
hunger pangs, it helps in losing body weight. This leafy veggie is a rich source of fiber, which helps in the process of bowel movement, proper digestion, and helps in fighting constipation. The vitamin C in the plant helps our eyes to maintain clean vision.
And that's about it, y'all. So, you know, thank you.
Times, the leaves of the red
That's
spinach
about it.
are
And I'd
crushed
like to
into
thank you for doing that part. Now, it's time to put in those strawberries and get to juice. I hope this. So I put enough cloves in here. Put some ginger in there. Now it's time for the fat, juicy strawberries. Dum dum dum. Dum dum. Dum 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 dum. That's my own music. Get up there and direct that camera correctly and say. I meant to put on some gloves, but you know, man, this thing gonna juice so good. Let's put some fat pieces right in there. Until then, you know, I hope this ain't a long video. One more fat one. One more fat one. That's it. Look me on, but man, it's done good. You know my money work. Clean up your mess as soon as you make it. Till then, get over there. Remember that recovery is an inside job. Give me a bottle of water from the bottle of the refrigerator. Front door.
Right here.
Well, today I'm just going to use some spring water that I got from, you know, that store called Aldi's. Give me another one. Another one. And that's it. Give me some lemon juice. Give me lime juice. Look fast. And that to help get some of the stuff out of it. Now, that's it. Here, catch. Time to juice it up. Let's see what we got here. Is it gonna turn red? Is it gonna turn green? Is it gonna turn brown? Is it gonna turn black? Look like it's gonna turn pink. 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 And it got the, and it's overflowed. Let me tell y'all that this thing is overflowing. So until next time, y'all, remember that recovery is a excuse me, inside job. Show y'all what I did. Check that out. Peace. Excuse me. Look at all them vitamins and nutrients. Recovery is an inside job. Turn in peace. Turn it off, MC.
Kapow.